Alright everybody, today we're getting a new grill. It's the old grill. Here's the new one. I know there's nothing wrong with the old grill, it's still a cool looking aftermarket grill, but I really like this one. This is the RedRock Baja style replacement grill with LED lighting. So we'll put it on there, see how it looks. Alright, so got the grill attached. Now I'm trying to get these LED amber lights to go in. So you have the red and the black. I'm not a professional, but you have a blue and a red. The video I saw, I attached it to a yellow and a black, but I'm pretty sure that's positive, that's negative. So, we'll see. So, we'll know if this works or not. So, yeah, I don't think my rooster's that confident, but we'll see. Alright. There's the final look at them. All installed, everything's working. I think it looks really cool. Really like it. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Get the wiring hooked up. Lights on. And my cow is mooing. Yeah, I like it. I'll take another look at it when it gets darker. See it better, but I think it looks pretty sweet.